Direct from Natick Center, this is Live from TCAN with tonight's musical guest, Matt Nakoa.
Hey there, TV land. Welcome to TCAN. This is one of my favorite places to be ever. And it feels so good to be able to get out of the house and come to a nice empty music hall where it's safe to play. And I have so many memories here. It's just great to be back. And really, I'm so glad to have you along for the ride tonight. Thanks for tuning in. When I was a child, years lasted forever. Heaven was sky, and God was the weather. Lying awake, I would listen to the thunder and the rain, and the world was alive when I was a child. Flash of light in the black of the night, a crack of heaven igniting. All was bright in the blink of an eye, and it strikes me like lightning. Oh, it strikes me like lightning. Now I am grown, and most days are just deadlines, and years on the road, they flash past me like headlights. But when I hear you laugh, I have listened to the thunder and the rain again. And though I am grown, I feel like a child. Flash of light in the black of the night, a crack of heaven igniting. All is bright in the blink of your eyes, and it strikes me like lightning. Lord, it strikes me like lightning. Last night I dreamed that my life was over, and I dreamed that you were there at my side, smiling as the sky busted open. I dreamed I was alive when I died. Flash of light in the black of the night, a crack of heaven igniting. All is bright in the blink of an eye, and it strikes me like lightning. Lord, it strikes me like lightning. Thank you.